Hello students, this is Mrs. Raksha Shirodkar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College of Commerce and Science. We'll continue with the subject, that is Computer Science Paper 2, Chapter number 2, Instruction Set of 8085. So, in the previous video, we had completed with total 12 instructions. So today we'll continue with the next instruction, that is instruction number 13 from the arithmetic group. Okay, so the next instruction is 13, which stands for INR. We completed with all addition and subtraction instruction in the next, that is now this is completely new instruction, which is instruction number 13, INR, which stands for increment, which stands for INR. Small r is nothing but for register. So what happens here is increment the register content by 1. How we used to increment the C content, C++ or A++, for any variable we used to write in Turbo C as A++, which used to increment the content of whatever variable by 1. Same way here INR, R is for incrementing the register content. Here since we have registers, then register pair, accumulator, so we'll be mentioning in the register content. Okay, so the format is very simple, R plus 1 and the result goes in R. Now till addition and subtraction, always the result used to get stored in the accumulator. Now from here in this register, from this instruction, all of the result will be changed according to the instructions. Only in the addition and subtraction instructions only the result used to get stored in the accumulator. Okay, now this is increment the register content by 1. So the format is R plus 1 and the result will be placed in register itself. Since it is register, so the addressing mode is register addressing mode. Group is the same arithmetic group. Bytes is 1 byte since there is no data or operand. Flags that will be affected here, now you need to learn these flags. Sign, zero, parity and auxiliary carry flags will be affected. Okay, so these 4 flags will get affected except for carry flag. Now see here, how will you explain? You will write as the content of the register is incremented by 1 and the result is placed in the same register. All of the flags except the carry flag may be affected. Okay, so this you have to learn. All of the flags except for carry flag that may be affected. So here R can be A, B, C, D, E, H, L. I have written here. If you want, you can skip this particular sentence, that is R can be any register. So example I have taken as register C. So R I have assumed as C. You can take any register. C is equal to FFH. So the instruction is INR C. So after executing this instruction, the content of C is 00H. If you try incrementing the register C, that is you will write FF in binary, which is 4 times 1 for F. Again for F you will write 4 times 1 and then you will add 1 to that particular FF. So all of the answers that you will get, that is 1 plus 1 is always 0. Then again you will keep on taking the carry flag, and so hence the result will come 00H and 1 will come for carry, that you will have to neglect. Okay, you do not need to mention the carry flag here. Okay, so the after execution my carry flag register C content is 00H. Okay, now the next instruction that we have here is, so this was INR R instruction, that was the 13th instruction from the arithmetic group. Now the next instruction that we have here is in the same, that is arithmetic group number 14, is INR M. It is same as INR R which we saw. Okay, only the difference is here instead of writing R there is M in the instruction. So what it does, increment the memory content by 1. So the format, you will not write anywhere M, you will only mention HL. Okay, so the format HL plus 1 and the result will be stored in HL. So hence the arrow is towards HL. Addressing mode is register indirect since there is M. Then group is same, that is arithmetic group. Bytes is 1 byte since there is no data present in the instruction. Flags is same except for carry, all the other flags will get affected. Now the explanation, how will you write the explanation or comment? The content of the memory location whose address is stored in the HL register pair is incremented by 1 and the result is placed in the same register or in the same HL register pair, that way. Okay, all of the flags except for carry flags that may get affected. One. So example here is let HL register pair is equal to, that I have assumed as F050. Since it is the 16-bit, you need to assume 16-bit data, which I have assumed as F050. You can consider any. H is the hexadecimal unit. Okay, now you need, if you do not consider it as 8-bit, that is also fine, and if you consider it as a 8-bit, that also they will not cut your marks. Okay, so I have assumed 8-bit. If you do not consider, that is also okay, they will not cut your marks. Okay, so F050 as 05H. So after executing the instruction INR M, the content of the HL pair, that is F050, will be 06. It will get incremented by 1, which is 06. And if you do not consider 8-bit, you only keep it as F050H. Then you will write as, after executing the instruction, that is INR M, the HL pair content is F051H. Okay, in the previous instruction also same way you can write, that is INR C. So C content is FFH. Here there is no need, since the register is only present. Here was M instruction, so hence we took it as 16-bit. Okay, so here I did not consider any of the 16-bit data, so hence there was no need to show that. So here in this you need to mention the 16-bit data since M is present in the instruction. Now the next instruction we'll be seeing in the arithmetic group is increment, that is 15th instruction, INX RP. Now we total have increment wala 3 instructions, INR R, INR M, and this is the third instruction, last instruction of the increment, that is INX RP. Now this stands for increment the register pair by 1. X is for register pair, RP stands for register pair. So okay, so INX for incrementing the register pair, that is 16-bit data, we write RP. Okay, INX RP. So how will you write? The format is RP plus 1 and the result goes in RP, that is register pair. The register pair will get incremented by 1 and the result will be stored in the register pair itself. The addressing mode is same as register addressing mode, since there is register. Group is same, arithmetic group, bytes is 1 byte, flags that will be affected are none. So how will you explain? The content of the register pair is incremented by 1 and the result is stored in the register pair itself. Now no flags are affected here. In the register pair incrementation, we do not have any flag which will be affected. So see, your example I have taken is HL is equal to F050H. Now since the data will be stored in the register pair itself, if you mention it as 8-bit also will do, and if you do not mention, that also will be do. In the previous instruction I have assumed it as 8-bit since it was HL register pair. If you do not mention, that also will be fine. Here see, I have not assumed as 8-bit. In the previous video, in the previous instruction I had assumed as 8-bit. Now this I have taken it as a 16-bit register only. So F050 I have kept it as it is. I have not considered it as 8-bit register. So the instruction is INX H. See, now while writing the register pair, we do not write it fully. That is, if you are mentioning it as HL register pair, you only write H. If you want BC register pair, you only write B. If you want DE pair, you only write D. So there are total only 3 pairs, that is HL register pair, BC pair and DE pair. So I have taken INX H. If you want, you can take INX B or INX D. So after executing this particular instruction, the content of HL pair, that is F050, becomes F051. It got incremented by 1. So I added 1, so hence it got incremented by 1. This was my last instruction in this particular video for incrementing. Now in the next video we'll be seeing with the decrement of instructions with the same group. We'll complete with the group. So only 5 instructions are left in the group and we'll complete with this group. In the next we can start with a new group. So thank you, students.